HJDNFA, I'm going to show you a 1-5-6-4 chord progression. We're going to be in the key of C major today. All right, so the C major scale, C is going to be our 1, D is going to be our 2, E is our 3, F is our 4, G is our 5, A is our 6, B is our 7, back to C, our 1. 1 chord is going to be C major, 5 chord is going to be G major, 6 chord is going to be A minor, 4 chord is going to be F major. All right, so I'm going to take those chords. 1 chord, C major, left hand, C and G, right hand, C, D, E, and G. And what I'm doing, I'm hitting the C and G, and I'm hitting the D and E. My 5 chord, left hand, G, D, right hand, G, A, B, D. 6, come off the A, B, C. You can play it several ways. I like to play it like that. A minor 7, left hand, A, E, right hand, G, B, C, E. All right, 4 chord, F major, F, C, left hand, right hand, F, G, A, C. So we have all right. First passing chord I can add to that, I can go to an E major, or I'm sorry, a C major over E on the 3 before I hit the 4 chord. So that's the 3rd note of the scale, the E is. So it's like 1, 3, 4. So I'm gonna let you hear that. 1, 5, 6, here we go, 3, 4. All right, just like that. All right, first passing chord. Another passing chord you can add to it is a 6, 7, 1, 3, 4 chord progression. Right here. 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. So 6, you're playing a 6, same 6 we've been playing. All right. All right. 7, you're gonna play G major over B. So left hand B, right hand B, D, and G. So it's the first inversion G major chord. All right. 1, we have our 1 chord already. All right, same one we've been playing. C and G on left hand. Right hand C, D, E, and G. All right, for our 3, we're gonna play that same C major over E that we played earlier. First inversion C major chord. E on my left hand. Right hand E, G, and C. All right, 4, same F major that we've been playing. All right, F, C, and then F, G, A, C on the right hand. You can put your own chords in there. These just are basic chords that you can use. All right, so 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. You can also play that 6. You can also play it up the keyboard instead of coming down. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. You can come up there with it. All right. Last thing you can do to this particular progression I'm going to show you is you can walk down from the 4. All right. So that comes at the end. All right. So I'm playing F and C on my left hand with A on my right hand. I'm playing E and B on my left hand with G on my right hand. The 5th is optional, all right? That note right here I'm playing with this finger. I'm playing D and F, A on the left hand if you want to. C and E. You can add the G if you want to. All right. Walk it down. All right, and finally, if you were playing it on a different type of song with the same progression, 1, 5, 6, 4, you can get to the sits. All right, that move there. All right, kind of hypens up your sits chord a little bit. So I'm playing the sits. All right, what I'm doing, I'm playing A, E, and F on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing G and C. But what I'm doing is I'm hitting the E and then hitting the F. All right. Then I'm building up on those 3 notes. All right, then you can take that to your 3, 4, or you can just take it straight to your 4, however you want to. So yeah, this is the 1, 5, 6, 4 with some passing chords in the key of C major. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.